How old is Master Cleanse diet recipe? As one of the most well-known detox diets on earth, the Master Cleanse recipe was concocted 50 years ago. It is widely used by almost all people in different places because of the medicinal and beneficial values it has. Some of its common benefits include increased sexual vitality and potency, alleviates allergies, increases energy levels, alleviates many chronic ailments, relieves pain, and eases weight loss program. The Master Cleanse recipe is actually simple, but because the ingredients and the steps are being used by a lot of people and by several generations, there are some arguments on how it is done. Everything you'll need is affordable and easy to find. Here's a basic recipe, good for one serving only. Ingredients: 2 tablespoon juice from fresh organic lemon, half a lemon fruit, 2 tablespoon organic maple syrup, grade B, 1/10 tsp cayenne pepper powder, 10 ounces filtered or distilled water. Procedure: in a tall drinking glass, combine all ingredients. Use spoon to mix very well. Consume at once. How to prepare a Master Cleanse drink, good for one day. Ingredients: 12 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, 12 tablespoon maple syrup, organic and grade B, 60 ounces filtered or distilled water, 1/2 tsp cayenne pepper powder. Procedure: -1, in a large glass jar. Combine the lemon juice and the maple syrup first. 2. Add the pepper powder and blend well. 3. Pour water over the juice syrup pepper solution and mix once again. 4. Store inside the refrigerator. The appearance of the Master Cleanse diet solution is a bit unpalatable to look at, but you still have to drink it because of the many healthy results on your body. Just keep in mind that you only have to endure the unusual beverage for 10 days and no more. Going beyond the detox period will be unhealthy. To spice up the taste of the Master Cleanse concoction, add some herbal teas to enhance your detoxification experience.